Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to TCS off-campus interview process. As so many candidates just to say that please make some videos that is related to interview experience. So this is the new video for all of you. And today we have Vishrut with us. He will share his interview experience that how he cracked the TCS Ninja recruitment process as well as interview process. And he got his offer letter in 5 days. Okay, I just say so many candidates that it takes some time to release your offer letter because it checks all the details. Okay. So hello Vishrut, how are you?
I'm good, Bhaiya. What about you?
I'm also fine. First of all, congratulations from online learning team that you are selected in TCS Ninja process.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
Brief introduction about yourself.
Okay. So first of all, thank you, Bhaiya, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Vishrut Girish Bhake, and I am from Baroda. And currently, I am pursuing BE from my GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur. And I cracked my interview, TCS interview exam, and I got my offer letter in 5 days. And
Okay.
that's all about me.
Yes, yes. So as you just said that you just got the offer letter in 5 days, and it totally depend on TCS team what they will send the offer letter to candidates. Okay. So my next question is all about that how many rounds were there in interview process? Like as we know that TCS NQT is the first examination, aptitude coding examination, as we all know about that. But what are the questions in the technical MR and HR round? Please explain.
Okay, so the one day before I got the mail that your interview is scheduled on the next day at 11 a.m. So I joined the meeting and I have to wait the meeting for some time because some panelists are taking their meeting and my meeting was delayed for 15 minutes. So I have to wait in 15 minutes. And then in my interview, there were three panelists. First HR, TR, MR, all were there in one go only. Their camera were on. They were interacting with me one by one. So I don't know whether that was HR ma'am or TR ma'am. They asked me to show my government proof. That was any ID proof, PAN card or government ID. So I show my government ID, and they started my interview by greeting me and feeling comfortable. So first question they asked me about TR, then TR question started. Some are saying that there will be resume पर सबका ध्यान नहीं जाता पर they are looking at your resume, they are having the time to look at your resume, they are mainly focusing on the project. So they started with me on my project question which I have mentioned. So there were two questions for me on my project, and I explained then about my project. So my project was on e-commerce portal website using Django framework, Python framework. Then they asked me how much you are good at which language you are good. So I say I'm good at Python. When I say I'm good, then they focus on that you say good. So then how many from 1 to 10, how will you rate yourself? I say 7. Then they ask me which program do you know? I say all the basic program like palindrome number, reverse string, Armstrong number, all programs.
There is a very good festival for the programmer, or I can say that the biggest festival for the programmer, that known as the Geek Week 2021. So the month of October along with itself a festive vibe, good foods and so many holidays. Okay, so there is a Geek Week 2021 is here, and in association with the Biawara 16 grams, and from the 19th to 25th October. Okay, after the success of Geek Week 2019 and 2020, they will conduct the new Geek Week 2021. Okay, there are the so many discounts, more reward and more events. Okay, so what is the Geek Week? Okay, Geek Week is a going a 7-day event from 19th to 25th October, a combination of Geek Week shall witness programmer joining in from across the world for learning coding competition and a course. Okay, and there are lot of opportunities also. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, there is a Geek Arena. Okay, so what are your coding personality quiz, merge it, a wheel of fate? These are the some good coding competition and some of the parts. Okay, so if I talk about the second point, so the that is related to learners corner, and you can all in one platform for tech enthusiasts who prefer learning over everything. Okay, and third is job physicista. There is an Geeks Week would not be complete without job opportunity, means there are bringing numerous vacancy for you to fill with your expertise. Okay, there are so many job opportunities also. Super savers for super learner. Okay, there is an interview preparation pack, grade 2022 preparation pack, live courses pack, kids coding pack. Okay, so all in the Geek Week. And are you chosen the one? Okay, why do you want DSA or CIP or full stack? Okay, so choose any course and you want and describe your reasoning for wanting it. The user with the most valid reason wins the course. Okay, and that is sixth is error 404, code not found. Okay, that is just related to enhancing your programming skills as much as possible. So are you means excited to surprise the 7-day Geek Week journey? Okay, so this is the very good event from the Geeks for Geeks. Okay, so join that and all the links in
for coding part, but they don't ask me any coding, and then they shift me to the next panelist, that was MR. He asked me about my LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile. I mentioned my Git in my resume, so he asked me a question on my Git also. What is Git and different commands on Git? How to we can update in our data into Git and replace data, commit everything. Then I think so. HR ma'am started means one by one. She asked me all the question about the company question. I was very research. I had done very research in the company, so all the question that she asked me, I answered her, and they said me that you have good research in the company, and do you know any revenue about? So I was not knowing about any revenue, so I said no, ma'am, I don't know about revenue, but other question I answered her.
Okay, means this is the complete interview experience of you. Just like there are the question that is related to technical also, and in the MR round and in the HR round, there are the some basics to advanced question. Okay. So my next question is, what are the advice to the viewers, like how you prepare for your placement preparation, and what are the resources that you follow for the TCS and QT preparation?
I would like to suggest that I have prepared from the like W3 School, Geek for Geeks, and some your previous videos like Infosys videos, TCS videos. I have prepared from that.
Yes, thank you so much. And my last question is all about that. What is the feedback for online learning channel? As you just say that you are selected and you just cleared this recruitment process.
So your feedback will be that I have started watching your channel from 1 year before first week. I think that was Infosys video, that Infosys hiring for Infitech or InfitEQ exam. So from that I have started watching your channel, and day by day you were uploading more videos and giving more experience to the students. How question will become, what interview questions are there, different questions. So online learning platform will always be definitely help you if you follow the channel throughout all your playlist videos. That all helped me.
Thank you so much for your great feedback, and thank you so much for sharing your valuable interview experience with us. Best of luck for your new journey. And if some candidate ask about some interview queries from you, so just to share all the points, and I will share your complete interview experience on our Telegram channel. Thank you so much for joining.
Okay, Vijay, thank you.
Thank you.
I would just like to add one point.
Yes.
If they are saying that wait for the interview is, they will directly not allow you in the interview. They will be sending you in the waiting list. Just wait there, because my timing आता है. Their timing comes that 5 minutes are left. I was thinking that we should be exit and rejoin, but don't do that. Wait for the timing until it come to end. जीरो जब तक जीरो नहीं आता था तब तक वेट कीजिए. क्या पता, क्योंकि बीच में ही वो लोग ज्वाइन कर दे. तो आई वाज थिंकिंग दैट आई शुड एग्जिट एंड रीजॉइन, बट वैसा मत करना. जब तक टाइम खत्म नहीं होता तब तक वहीं पे रहना.
Thank you so much for adding this important point. These are very helpful for upcoming interviews for the candidates. Thank you so much for joining.
थैंक यू भैया.